The tide of work is turning, there is no question. With all the uncertainty we've faced over the past couple of years, it's no wonder people are looking to take control of their financial future. As a result, online freelance jobs are on many people's minds. More people than ever are launching new businesses or looking into a freelance career as it gives them the freedom to work from home or wherever, create their own schedules, and make more money. Perhaps the best part about it is that all you really need is a marketable skill, a computer, a good internet connection, and the ability to manage your own schedule. You can work from almost anywhere. However, if you have a specialty of any kind, earning potential can be quite attractive. Freelance workers are in demand, and once you establish yourself, your biggest problem will be managing multiple clients and knowing when to draw the line. But what is the highest paying and more attractive freelance work in 2022? If you've been thinking about starting up a freelance business, you've come to the right place. We've put together a list of the top 10 most in-demand, highest-paying freelance jobs right now. Make sure you watch this video till the end to fully understand the scope of freelancing. If you have some of these skills in your back pocket, you're already more than halfway there. So let's start. A software developer or web designer. A software developer is a person who creates computer programs for a living. The software can be anything from an app on your phone to a computer's operating system. Software developers may work alone or with teams, depending on the project size and scope. They must have excellent written and verbal communication skills. This will enable them to explain complex concepts in layman's terms to other team members who do not have technical knowledge. They also need strong problem-solving abilities and attention to detail to deliver high-quality code within deadline constraints. Many companies hire freelance programmers because they can get more done faster than hiring an entire staff full-time. Independent software developers earn a healthy salary, even by industry standards. A software developer or web designer can make up to $120,000 annually as a freelancer. If you're interested in becoming a software developer, there are several online job boards where employers post their software development jobs. These sites include Indeed and Stack Overflow jobs. Freelance writer. There are endless opportunities on the web to find freelance writing jobs. If you're good, fast, and reliable, you're perfect for freelance work. And that's especially true if you have expertise in areas like technology, marketing, crypto, blockchain, or sales. Of course, you can still make a go of it even if you don't have specific skills. As long as you're willing to learn and good with Google, you'll do just fine. Probably the best part about choosing writing as an online freelance job is that it doesn't require a lot of equipment to get started. You can use Microsoft Word or G Suite to create and deliver your work. And you can pretty much do it anywhere, at home, on the road, or wherever the four winds take you. Technical or medical writing typically pays the highest, but you can also make a pretty good living writing blogs or website copy. Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are some of the most popular sites to start your freelance content writing. Graphic designer. Graphic design is a solid marketable skill. It applies to many different business applications, including marketing, advertising, reports, catalogs, brochures, newsletters, business cards, websites, product packaging, outdoor signage, trade show booths, and the list goes on. You'll need to be proficient in Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, and Illustrator, and understand basic concepts like pre-press techniques. Many graphic designers hold degrees or certificates, but just as many learn through practical experience. That being said, if you are Adobe certified, that might make you more desirable to some clients. You'll need a good portfolio for sure, but most prospective employers are less interested in your education than they are in the work you produce. A strong portfolio, a good repertoire of skills, and a specialty or two will take you far. Freelance teacher. There are literally thousands of online teaching jobs available, whether or not you have teaching degrees or credentials. If you do, all the better. There's a massive shortage of teachers around the world right now. So chances are you'll have no trouble finding a position you like. Even if you don't have a teaching degree, there are still plenty of options. English as a second language (ESL) teachers are in high demand, and you don't need much experience. In many cases, the only prerequisite is a good command of the English language and a level of comfort with online technology. If you're a whiz at math, science, history, or other academic subjects, you might also consider online tutoring. Virtual assistant. Are you super organized? Able to complete tasks fast? Good with all kinds of productivity software? If so, then a freelance virtual assistant or VA job might be the right one for you. Most VAs are paid hourly and earnings range from $15 to $25 an hour or more, based on the client's needs and the specific expertise required. Tasks can include managing email, making phone calls, data entry, bookkeeping, research, social media, content creation, making travel arrangements, or setting appointments. Virtual assistant gigs are a great way to break into the freelancing life. The more you can do, the more your services are worth. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to have a ton of experience to begin. Editor. Editing is a pretty good freelance gig if you have an excellent command of the English language, grammar, spelling, and writing style. You'll find plenty of work proofing and copy editing articles that other people have written. Even if your ultimate goal is to get freelance writing jobs, editing is an excellent place to start. Editing work can be technical or creative. It might also involve researching and fact-checking an article before publication. Editing product manuals or technical documentation can pay very well, but you'll need to have a good grasp of the technology and a talent for turning complex ideas into concise, easily understood language. Accountant, financial consultant. Financial expertise is always in demand, depending on your educational and professional background. You might see jobs for anything from daily bookkeeping to tax accounting, business accounting, and even fractional CFO positions. Financial consulting is another potential freelance niche, especially if you've had some success or experience working with reputable financial companies or have a specialty, like real estate, insurance, or tax planning. Social media specialist. All companies need an online presence, but keeping up with it is time-consuming, and not all organizations have an in-house marketing team to help them out. If you know your way around social media platforms, understand how to put together a compelling post, and enjoy seeing the fruits of your efforts come to life before your eyes, a freelance job in social media marketing might be right for you. If you want to land freelance social media specialist jobs, think about putting together an online portfolio with some samples. And don't forget to list your accomplishments with the numbers to back them up. Social media is all about the metrics after all. Multimedia producer. Typically, multimedia production is about video and audio editing production. This requires relevant multimedia software communication and creativity skills. And freelancers in this field earn one of the highest average hourly rate in the market. The increasing demand for video content for entertainment, education, and marketing continue to create an unending opportunity for professionals in this field. Interestingly, multimedia production accommodates about 8% of the freelance workforce. Voiceover actor. A freelance voiceover actor is a person who provides voices for characters in TV, radio, and other media projects. The skill set to become a freelance voiceover actor is the ability to speak clearly and with emotion. It helps if you have a good vocal range since most voices have some accent or dialect. This makes it hard for people unfamiliar with them to understand what they're saying. You must also be able to improvise dialogue in response to specific questions or situations on the fly. You can find work as a freelance voiceover actor in many fields, but it's most commonly in television, radio commercials, or YouTube videos. Additionally, you can also find work as part of an animation project, such as cartoons and animated films. Often these actors provide spoken lines and visual images on a screen. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We also appreciate your feedback, so don't shy away from expressing your opinions in the comments section. We'll be back with another video soon. Peace out.